Hey, no. Come on. Leave it. What is that? Is that $50? Yo.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god.
Salí, vos. Salí, vos. Salí, a mí me gusta el pelado.
Whisper. 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 Good boy.
No.
Good night. Good boy.
That's not what that is at all. You know what that is? That's called a...
Get the fuck back. I'm so sorry. Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth. Hey, don't you bark at me, bitch.
Boy, what the hell is that? See, hell, why you ain't tell me I know?
Dear Heavenly Father, bless the spirit through our bodies, and thank you for being such a good dog and having such a nice night.
Who are you growling at? I said it's time to go to bed.
It's time to go off the bed.
Bro, are you good? Dude.
Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Who has the prettiest smile? Rio, smile. Pretty. It's a short leg. Hey! New dance. Yeah.
You're the best squeaker.
Because it got stuck in a crack.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth.
Winnie, are you gay?
Can you get out the kitchen, please? Get your ass out the goddamn.
איזה כיף תחת של כלב מול הפנים.
Get that toy right there out my bed.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Rascal! Yes, good boy.
I'm gonna tell Papa.
And then what happened?
Who is that? What do you think? Who is that? Hi, baby.
I want your grandma. Monsters coming. Monsters
Lo que yo vine fue a esto.
No. No. Drop it. Drop it. Evelyn.
So I'll find that footage. I'll go grab him up.
You are not behaving. So you need to lay down.
We're not, Brennan. We are not starting this. No.
Bosie, what do you think? Does that look like you?
Catch it. Too bad. Lauren is so fast.
Get off my couch and stop talking back.
What do you got to say to all the haters?
Paglat, synok.
You're one ugly little dog.
And then what? Oh my gosh. Oh no.
You don't jump on my couch.
Eat the peanut butter. Milo.
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
What are you doing?
You bitch. Bitch. Bitch.
1, 2, 3, go!
Is it yummy? Want another piece?
Oh, you're doing so good.
Like figuring out how to make it run, and then Gavin, after 3 minutes of it running, proceeded.
She's trying to swim. I don't think he wants it.
¿A que te sabe la pata, Luna?
Are you smiling at me? You look so proud of yourself.
Doggy obstacle course.
He's a good boy.
Alright, let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
You gotta go to your crate. Sir? Kevin.
Did I just wake you up from a snooze? You look like you just woke up.
Mom, okay, Dallas, don't tell her.
And then what did Thor do? What did you do all day?
What is in your mouth?
Let's see it. Just bite it. Gentle.
What is in your mouth?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Outside? I don't want to talk to you. Get away from me. I don't want to talk to you. Go over there and go look at the wall. Bye. Jeez.
You like the... Oh!
She said they might have left. They might have left. Out there in the lobby.
He doesn't realize that I can put my finger through here.
Dear Heavenly Father, bless His food to our bodies, and thank you for Tessa being such a good dog and having such a nice night.
He looks that big on there, doesn't he? His head look big.
Rocket!
Don't be jealous. I can love Makana too.
Leo! Leo! No!
Masito con Arturo. Masito, masito. Abajo la pata.
Excuse me! No! No!
What are you doing?
Trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
Why do you sit like that?
3 a day.
Well, he was born next to a nuclear power plant, has an IQ of 2, and got hit in the head with several rocks as a child. But boy, can this guy play.
He's right here next to me.
This is not Starbucks. This is McDonald's.
Didn't I say stop? I said stop. No, don't be trying to take it out your mouth. Oh no, don't roll out.
Está regañado.
Hill. Treat. Treat.
Come on, no.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Oh, you're cold. You're cold. Let's go. Let's go.
Makes the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even go touch, right?
Cut the hour and a half, please, to half hour.
Oh, of course. Just getting ready earlier.
I think I like this life. You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. Bagel. Bagel.
You gotta take a small bite, Rocco.
Oh my God.
You're adopted.
What are you doing? Come on, Mal. Patrick, come on. Woo!
Almost done.
Got her.
Hey. Hey, you. Hey, you. You.
He's ignoring the shit out of you.
Look at me.
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
You just licked your own ass. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hey. Hey. Oh no!
Hey Bruno, you don't see the problem with that?
Give me a shake. Can you give me a burp? That was so nice.
No. No, no.
Come on. Let's go. Oh my God.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
I like him. I like that autistic man. And would I be wrong?
Go.
What are you doing? Kimber, what are you doing?
Rocky, you know why he's scared? That's why he's scared.
Gonna have to do it the hard way. Eat the peanut butter.
Fuck up. That's a oops fucky wucky. That's what that. How?
You got a cheeseburger? Cheeseburger, buddy. I think he wants a cheeseburger. Oh, buddy.
Where'd you go, cabron? Who let you go outside?
Give me that now.
Okay. Hug. So cute.
Oh no.
Oh my God. We're both. Clean your feet. Please. They're dirty. Lee, come on.
Nobody's gonna know.
Clarence. Clarence.
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
Let me give her some love. Let me give her some love. Don't be jealous. Okay, all right, all right.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good. Hello, you sweet angel thing. Oh, you're so sweet.
¿Lechuga? No quiere. ¿Pollito?